In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect to a radar using Stats Analyzer through Tetryon's Rendezvous feature. The first thing you want to do is to navigate to your Tetryon account and sign in using a supervisor login. Once you have successfully logged in, click on the administrator link on the top right of the page. And in the admin pages, there is a panel on the left. Click on Manage Tokens. Go into this edit box and type in either the username or the entity that you're creating a web token for. And once you have typed in that username or name of the entity, click on the Generate Token button. Once the token has been successfully generated, this page will refresh and it'll show you the name of the token as well as who you created this for. And there's a handy icon on the right hand side which lets you copy this token that was created to the clipboard. So once you copy this to the clipboard, you can close this out. And then you need to open Stats Analyzer and go into the Setup Remote Radars page. And this has two options. One is to just create a remote radar for which you know the IPs and details of. The other part is the Rendezvous feature. So you want to click on this tab over here and click on the empty row and then type in the name of your server. And paste the token that you just created. And once you have entered the host name of your server and then copied your access token that you created, click on the next button. Stats Analyzer will talk to the server and fetch the names and location numbers of each of the radars that are there in this account. So you can either select all or deselect and then select an individual radar, or select all of the radars that are available from this list and click Add Selected Radars. So they will show up in this rendezvous list and click OK. And then you can go and click on the Connect to Radar button and click on the Connect to Radar drop down and scroll down, and you will see the radars that you added to the list. And the way that you want to connect to one of these radars is you click on the one that you want to connect to and select it in the drop down and hit the Connect to Radar button. So Stats Analyzer talks to the server and sees that this particular radar last called on September the 17th at 4:50 p.m. and then it expects this radar to make contact with the server in another 40 odd seconds. So you want to wait for this elapsed time, after which the radar will call the server, and once the server is done reading all the data from the radar, it'll let you connect to the radar using Stats Analyzer. So once it's established a connection with the radar through Tetryon, it will show you that it found this radar on this particular IP and location number. And then it shows you the info page, reads all the variables, and then you can pretty much go to each one of these pages to look at all the different things that you would normally do using Stats Analyzer direct connection. And once you are done, you can always go back to the connection tab and click on the disconnect button.